What's going on, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your app drawer from scrolling vertically to scrolling horizontally. So let's jump right into the video. Now, I was so surprised with how many of you guys absolutely hate the vertical scrolling and wanted horizontal scrolling. So I do have a fix for this, but it does come with a few caveats. So if you want to get your apps to scroll horizontally, all you have to do is go to your app drawer and click on the search bar down at the bottom, the three dots on the right. Now, I have also heard that you guys want the search bar back up top. Unfortunately, I've not found a fix for that, but that's not what we're talking about today. So click on the search bar, the three dots are down on the right side, click on that and go to sort. Now, alphabetical order is already there. All you have to do is click on custom order, and then you will have horizontal scrolling. Now, the caveat to this is that you cannot make this alphabetical automatically, so that means you're either going to have to move everything into alphabetical order on your own, or you're just going to have to get used to where your apps are on which page and then go to that page in order to click it. Now, if for some reason I have had a few apps that kind of look like this whenever you moved them, to where the pages were not completely filled in. If for some reason that happens, you can click on the search bar once again, those same three dots, click on that and click on cleanup pages, and that will fill the page to where it's completely full before trying to move on to the next page. So unfortunately, that's the only way to get horizontal scrolling as of right now. Now, because you guys are so against the new update, I was wondering if any of y'all use a custom home launcher. Now, obviously I'm doing these videos for the One UI launcher that your phone comes with, but if you guys would ever consider a really good home launcher that I use all the time is the Nova launcher. So if you guys want me to make some videos on that, let me know. But this is the way you get your phone to scroll horizontally, and again, it does come with those few caveats that it's not automatically in alphabetical order. So if you like this video or anything else that I do, consider subscribing. If you have any other questions about the update or want to change anything else, leave those in the comments. I will do my best to find a fix for y'all, and that'll just about do it. We'll see you guys on the next video.